All right, Ben, run us through what we got here.
We got us a leveling kit for an 03 6.0 Powerstroke. So that's still a leaf sprung front end instead of coilovers like my 05s. Go ahead and level this thing so hopefully Buddy can clear his wide wheels that he decided he'd buy.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them all from, Aaron?
Indiana, in the middle of BFE. Houston, love you.
What you got in that thing, Aaron?
Got the 6.0 Powerstroke right there.
Yeah, buddy. What you thinking, man?
Thing's rowdy.
Rowdy?
Rowdy.
Sounds a lot like the gray truck.
Sounds rowdy, at least. I don't know if it's rowdy on the street, but it sure sounds rowdy.
Put it on stand. Take the wheels off, and then jack the frame up.
Yeah. Let's do the real test here, folks. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, Aaron.
Where do you want me to put it?
I put it right there, right behind the knuckle. The next step for us is to get the sway bar loose and then get the shock unbolted. That way, like, everything can move, and then we'll undo the U-bolts and jack the truck up. All right, the bolt is 15 millimeter, and the nut on the bolt's an 18. So.
Okay. All right. So now we lift the frame up a little bit, have the axles dangle. You know, that dangle in their little things.
Now I'm going to take the jack stand back out from under the axle and lower the axle down. We got a jack stand under the frame. Get the jack stand out of the way so we can loosen the lube bolts and then drop the axle after we clamp the leaf spring. What you doing, Aaron?
I'm taking the U-bolts out, put these blocks in there, and we're going to have a good time. It's a 13/16, just as I thought. You know, I'm professional at this and all. Milwaukee Impact, pretty good.
A little
wet.
All right, now we're gonna lower his axle down so we can get that spring bolt and put his new lift block in.
All right, Ben. Oh.
Now get your vice grips on the bottom side of that and get that loose.
It's not gonna line up. Yep.
That's fine. We're just gonna do a little axle pull. It's no big deal. It's just a vacuum line, but
Yeah. Put the spacers on. Now we gotta pull the axle back a little bit to get it lined up.
And we kick the ball.
So what? Do we let the axle down a little bit?
Just let it down a fuzz. Very, very slowly. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Lucas, start pulling.
Okay. Wait,
What you doing, Aaron?
trying to screw him in right there.
Trying to peg him? I like the moaning
Push
noise
the
you're
rubber
making.
in.
Scrumptious.
Trent would make a
So we got the one side done. Now we're working on this side, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna take the U-bolts out, take the perch off, and then get to it, put the blocks in. So, yeah, should be pretty quick.
This is like TikTok.
Time to do some sketching.
We're all gonna sing "Time to Do Some," and you gotta get a video of what's going on. Look at this.
Holy, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, get this and like change the.
Maybe like.
Yeah. You turned off close encounters.
Yeah, because whenever I record, it turns off
audio.
We might have to sacrifice this one.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Just cut it in a certain way you can retie it.
No.
It was already about 1 hour.
What were you saying? I said.
We were talking about the sports stack.
Yeah, and what happened?
What's that grinder bill?
Oh, hold on, stop for a second. What'd you have to do on
You
this?
have to like really put it in there. You know what I mean?
It's all for me.
It's good and all.
Ain't nothing can
That's good,
Yeah.
Trent's gimbal, I'll hang out the best
Oh,
on the shot.
I kind of want to like get the batteries charged
During the
up first.
during the night. We'll figure out your.
course.
Figure out
You
your
should
charge.
drive without your headlights and only your running lights.
Alrighty guys, so here's a couple days after the install of the 2-inch rough country level kit. I measured it, and it's about a 1/4 inch lower in the back, so it's pretty level, and I kind of like that little lean to it. Looking pretty good, and there's the stance to it. It's not too wide. Man, she's a little dirty. Them 12 wide just fling up a lot of mud. And then I do think the axle shifted a little bit, because I didn't put the adjustable track bar in. I was gonna do that, but when I got it aligned, and I just haven't got to it yet. But yeah, so there it is. And then yeah, she's looking pretty good. I'm liking it so far. And then those spider taillights look sharp, so. Alrighty, and then, well, next step, I think I'm gonna take this this brush guard off, because it's kind of grandpa looking. And then also, I got a new piece of whatever that thing's called. And I think I might get a bullet antenna. And then, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do next. Maybe do an 05 and up grill swap, because I mean, I like the 7.3 looking grill, but I think the 6-liter grill looks better. But other than that, I think that's a wrap, and I'll see you guys later.